So let's start with a brief history. We need a framework to help us contextualize where LLMs fit into the history of healthcare AI. I think the best framework that I've heard of comes from a paper titled The Three Epochs of Artificial Intelligence and Healthcare. It was authored by Michael Howell, the Chief Clinical Officer at Google, along with Karen DeSalvo, Google's Chief Health Officer. They break the history of healthcare AI into three distinct epochs. Epoch 1 began around 1970 and represents the era of symbolic AI and probabilistic models. You can think of this as rules-based models. Epoch 2 began in earnest around 2010, representing the era of deep learning, and this is what we now refer to as traditional machine learning, or ML for short. And finally, Epoch 3, the topic of today's discussion, is large language models and generative AI, which was first described in 2017 and brought into the public zeitgeist in around 2022 with OpenAI's release of ChatGPT.